Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on October 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Grouch Day. National Grouch Day is celebrated annually on October 15th. This somewhat tongue-in-cheek observance gives recognition to all the grouches out there. It serves as a day where being grumpy or irritable is accepted and even celebrated. The day is inspired by one of television's most famous Grouches, Oscar the Grouch from the children's program Sesame Street. Oscar, with his distinctive green fur and trash can residence, has been a symbol of grouchy behavior for decades. National Grouch Day allows people to embrace their inner grouch, understanding that everyone has those moments or days where they just want to be left alone or are feeling a bit more irritable than usual. For some, it's an opportunity to poke fun at their own occasional grouchiness or to joke with others about theirs. The day can be observed in various humorous ways, from sending funny cards to loved ones acknowledging their occasional grouchy moods to hosting themed parties or simply indulging in a solo grouchy day with no interruptions. It's all in good fun, and while it's not one of the more serious observances, it does remind everyone that it's okay to have a bad day once in a while. National Mushroom Day. National Mushroom Day is celebrated on October 15th every year. This day is dedicated to recognizing and celebrating the diversity, taste, and nutritional benefits of mushrooms. Mushrooms, being a versatile ingredient, can be found in countless dishes across various cuisines, from savory entrees to even some dessert options. Mushrooms come in a wide variety of types, each with its own distinct flavor, texture, and nutritional profile. Some of the popular varieties include white button, cremini, portobello, shiitake, oyster, and more. Beyond culinary uses, certain mushrooms have been utilized for their medicinal properties in various cultures for centuries. On National Mushroom Day, enthusiasts might celebrate by cooking their favorite mushroom dishes, trying out new mushroom-based recipes, or even going mushroom foraging, with proper knowledge or guided expertise, as some wild mushrooms can be toxic. Restaurants or culinary institutes might host special mushroom-themed events or menus. Mushrooms are also praised for their health benefits. They are a good source of essential nutrients like vitamin D, selenium, and antioxidants. Plus, they can serve as a meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans due to their hearty texture and rich flavor. Whether you love them on pizzas, in salads, stir fries, or gravies, National Mushroom Day is the perfect occasion to enjoy and appreciate this unique and flavorful fungi. National Cheese Curd Day. National Cheese Curd Day, celebrated annually on October 15th, is a day dedicated to the delicious, often bite-sized morsels known as cheese curds. Originating from the cheese-making process, cheese curds are the fresh curdled bits of milk before they've been aged or pressed into solid blocks of cheese. They're known for their characteristic squeak when fresh and are a staple in certain regional cuisines, especially in parts of the American Midwest and Canada. The popularity of cheese curds has grown significantly, thanks in part to dishes like the Canadian favorite, poutine, where the curds are layered atop fries and smothered in gravy. Whether enjoyed fresh, deep-fried, or sprinkled over dishes, cheese curds are celebrated for their unique texture and rich flavor. On National Cheese Curd Day, enthusiasts indulge in their favorite curd-centric dishes and many restaurants offer specials or put a spotlight on this delectable dairy treat. Global Handwashing Day. Global Handwashing Day, commemorated every year on October 15th, emphasizes the critical role that hand hygiene plays in disease prevention and overall health. The day serves as a worldwide reminder of the importance of washing hands with soap as one of the most straightforward, yet effective, actions one can take to eliminate pathogens and prevent infections. It underscores the message that regular hand washing, particularly before meals and after using the restroom, can significantly reduce the spread of illnesses and save lives. Beyond merely a call to maintain personal hygiene, Global Handwashing Day also aims at raising awareness on a broader scale. Especially in regions where access to clean water and sanitation is limited, the day serves as a prompt for governments, organizations, and communities to prioritize and invest in handwashing facilities and education. Through community events, educational campaigns, and the shared global spotlight, the hope is to change behaviors and improve health outcomes worldwide. National Feral Cat Day. National Feral Cat Day is observed annually on October 16th. Established by Alley Cat Allies in 2001, the day is dedicated to raising awareness about feral cats, promoting humane policies and practices for their care, and educating the public about the difference between feral cats and socialized domestic cats. Feral cats, often called community cats, are cats that live in the wild and have had little to no human interaction. As a result, they typically avoid human contact and are unsocialized. This makes them different from stray cats, which are typically abandoned or lost pets that can often be re-socialized and adopted. One of the primary objectives of National Feral Cat Day is to advocate for trap-neuter return (TNR) programs. TNR involves humanely trapping feral cats, having them spayed or neutered to control population growth, and then returning them to their territory. This method is considered more humane and effective than euthanizing them. Advocates use this day to spread the word about community cat care, dispel myths and misunderstandings about feral cats, and inspire more compassionate treatment of these animals. Through events, workshops, and educational campaigns, supporters work towards creating safer environments and brighter futures for feral cats across the country. World Food Day. World Food Day is observed globally on October 16 each year. Established by the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, of the United Nations in 1979, the day is dedicated to raising awareness about food security, hunger, malnutrition, and the importance of sustainable agricultural practices. It serves as a platform to highlight the challenges faced by many in obtaining safe and nutritious food and underscores the need to ensure food security and nutritious diets for all. The date, October 16, was chosen to commemorate the founding of the FAO in 1945. Each year, World Food Day adopts a theme to focus on specific aspects of food and agriculture. Themes from previous years have covered a broad range of topics, from promoting sustainable agriculture to addressing the impact of migration on food security. Events and activities on this day vary widely across countries but may include conferences, workshops, exhibitions, cultural performances, and community outreach programs. Schools, universities, and organizations often participate by hosting educational events, food drives, and campaigns to engage the public in discussions about food policies, sustainable diets, and responsible consumption. World Food Day reminds everyone of the collective responsibility to ensure that no one goes hungry and that everyone has access to healthy and nutritious food. It acts as a call to action to governments, institutions, and individuals to work together toward achieving a world without hunger. National Bosses Day. National Bosses Day, often simply referred to as Bosses Day, is celebrated annually on October 16 in the United States. If the 16th falls on a weekend, the observance is usually marked on the closest working day. The day was established with the aim to strengthen the bond between employers and their employees, and as an opportunity for employees to show appreciation to their bosses for being fair and supportive throughout the year. The concept of Bosses Day was introduced by Patricia Bayes-Harrowski in 1958. She chose the date October 16 in honor of her father's birthday, who was also her employer at the time. She believed there was a lack of employee recognition for the hard work and dedication provided by their bosses. In 1962, Illinois Governor Otto Kerner backed Harrowski's registration and officially proclaimed the day. Over the years, the observance gained traction across the U.S. On this day, employees typically give cards, flowers, or small tokens of appreciation to their bosses. While it's a recognized day in the calendar, participation is entirely optional, and the manner of observance can vary from one workplace to another. It's also worth noting that while the idea behind Bosses Day is positive, it has also received criticism from some quarters who feel it may blur professional boundaries or lead to perceptions of favoritism. Regardless, for many, it remains a simple and sincere way to show appreciation for good leadership in the workplace. National Liqueur Day. National Liqueur Day is celebrated annually on October 16 in the United States. This day is dedicated to honoring and enjoying the wide variety of liqueurs available. Liqueurs, distinct from liquors, are typically sweetened spirits with various flavors, herbs, spices, fruits, flowers, or cream combined with alcohol. They can be sipped neat, used in cocktails, or utilized in cooking and baking due to their rich flavors. Liqueurs have a long and storied history, with many traditional liqueurs rooted in ancient herbal medicine practices. Monks in Europe, for instance, were known to produce and prescribe them as remedies. Over time, these herbal concoctions evolved into what we recognize today as liqueurs, enjoyed not just for their supposed medicinal properties but for their taste. On National Liqueur Day, enthusiasts might celebrate by tasting a new liqueur, making a cocktail that features one, or learning more about the fascinating histories behind their favorite brands and blends. From creamy Bailey's Irish cream to the herbal complexities of chartreuse, from the almond notes of amaretto to the orange zest of Cointreau, there's a vast world of liqueurs to explore and appreciate. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.